Hey guys, it seems Samsung will be finally offer an OLED skin on its entry-level Galaxy A1 series smartphone starting next year. A report from South Korea publication, Samsung will be finally replace the LCD panel using on the previous Galaxy A1 series phones like the Galaxy A14. The Galaxy A50 is expected to featuring 6.1-inch Full HD resolution 90Hz refresh rate AMOLED skin, U-shaped notch cut out for its front camera. The Galaxy A15 has a triple camera setup on the rear, a 50MP main sensor, 2MP macro and 8MP ultra wide, and the front is come with 13MP selfie camera. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock too. The smartphone will be available both 4G and 5G variant. 4G variant, the phone could be have a MediaTek Helio G99 processor, and the 5G variant of the Galaxy A15 could be powered by the Exynos 1490 chipset, and the phone running Android 14 with One UI 6.0, and the phone also come with 5000 mAh battery, and it could also support 25W fast charging. The Galaxy A15 series is expected to launch in first quarter 2024. So that's all about the Galaxy A15. If you found this video informative, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.